Hello friends, in today's video we will draw beautiful bird shape from number 6 to 9. So let's start with number 6. Starting from the top of letter 6, we will make beautiful peacock shape. Keep drawing with me so you can easily draw these numbers into birds in just few seconds. So we just make his eyes and the head, and now we make his back part. Wow! See how beautifully we converted number 6 into peacock. Now let's make his legs. Wow! See? It's beautiful, right? Wow! Now let's start with number 7. Just start from the top and keep drawing with me. Now make his nose and the eyes. And then we'll make the bottom part. Wow! See, it's super easy. Fantastic. Now start with letter 8. Hope you are drawing with me. Let's make his eyes first. To make our cute little bird with number 8. Wow! Let's fill the eyes. And now make the bottom part. Wow! It's cute little bird. It's beautiful, right? Wow, fantastic. Now make his legs and feet. Wow, it's so cute. Now start with that number 9. Wow! See, in few seconds we converted these numbers into beautiful birds. Hope you learned to draw these shapes. Subscribe Kidzmania and hit the bell icon button to keep enjoying such amazing videos every week. Thank you.